guys, this is Daniel Martin with Martin Tree Service, and today we are here with our awesome customer Dave. Dave's been a joy to work with. I'm sure you guys will see the video of the large maple tree that we were able to take down here safely. We've got some pictures of the large decay that happened inside of some of these trunks. One was really leaning just towards their house directly. Another one was over this pool back behind here, and then another large stem. It was also decayed, leaning right over their garage that they loved. Right, Dave?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's really going on with the garage, Dave?
So garage is coming down.
Okay.
Yeah. So we weren't too worried about the garage.
All right.
But we were definitely worried about our neighbors, Sean and Joy over here, because we had one again leaning over their pool. So, and a good friend of mine saw the tree a couple weeks back and said you might want to get that looked at because it looked like critters were burrowing in it and looked like it could be dangerous. That was our first immediate response. And with spring kind of coming, with ice and windstorms and all that, we were really concerned about it. So Tad came out, Daniel's dad, gave us a quote and seemed to be the fairest. We had a couple others, so it was priced nice and gave us a kind of little initial discount. But then most of all, it was their crew here, just very efficient, very pleasant, very nice to work with. Just a great bunch of guys, and most importantly, they worked safe and they worked smart, and they knew what they were doing in and around between our two houses, the power lines, and all that going on. So there was a lot of expertise that needed to take place, and which is we couldn't be happier. So yeah, unfortunately it was a beautiful tree, but it had to go.
Yeah.
And we got a little section out of it to make a table out of it. And our neighbors Joy and Sean are going to make a little table out of theirs just to remember it by. But for the most part, we were real happy with our tree services.
Awesome.
You guys.
Well, thank you very much, Dave.
Yeah.
We appreciate working for you.
Yeah.